morning, everybody. If you're new to my channel, or if you just happen to look it up on YouTube, my name is Ronnie. So I go hiking, do adventurous stuff outside, and like I said in my last video, if you watched it, the opportunity came to start a YouTube channel, and I'm definitely gonna take it before the door closes. So right now we are in Etiwanda Falls in Rancho Cucamonga, California. A little gloomy out from the last time we went on a hike. So right now it's about, I would say, 82, which it'll end up getting warmer, and all the mist and everything, or the overcast, excuse me, will end up burning off. But yeah, so we are walking up to the waterfalls now. It's about a 1.5 mile hike, so it's gonna be fun. So enjoy. I will see you guys at the top. Right now we are still climbing. It's about a, I don't know, about 15% incline grade going up. I mean, it's a good hike. My calves are starting to feel it. I forgot how brutal this hike could be, and that's just because of the incline. So it's about I don't know, about a good mile incline, and then from there it goes pretty steady, then off into the waterfalls and all the good stuff that people want to see. The cool thing is though, I mean, you work hard for it, like in life, and at the end you get a good reward, right? So that's what it's about. Just got to keep pushing. So see you guys back at the top. Etiwanda Falls. I'm probably just gonna park right here for a little bit, put my feet in the water, let them cool off a bit. Get these stupid mosquitoes off me. They're everywhere. Mosquitoes are pretty crazy and pretty brutal. But besides that, the hike was not too bad. Definitely have the right hiking shoes because there is a lot of rocks. So I'd probably give that a moderate, probably about a moderate, nothing too big. Like again, as I said before, it's just about pushing yourself, right? So let me just park right here and we'll kick it for a while. This is where the video is going to come to an end, everybody. Thank you for coming along with me. Definitely subscribe, please. It'll definitely help out. And drop a like as well. I don't know exactly where we're going to go next. I'm going to look up a couple things, a couple places. You know me, definitely trying to get near water. So we'll see what the next adventure holds. And I will see you guys in the next. In the meantime, I'm just gonna leave you guys with a cool little montage. I will see you guys later. All right, peace.